Think I may be losing my mind. Oh, I already lost it. Already lost it. Damn, I may be losing my mind. Now don't tell me that I lost it. That I lost it.
All right, bike check, bike review. My jet fuel 26er BMX, hyper jet fuel, Wally Ripper, whatever you want to call it. Had it for almost 2 months now. Haven't done an update on it, so here we go. Start with the wheels. These Mission Tracker camos, 2.35s. No, these are 2.3. Let's look. Yeah, these are 26 by 2.30. 26 by 2.30 tires. I like them. They're pretty nice. They're pretty solid. They've held up pretty well. Has some decent grip. I mean, it's pretty decent grip on it. Could be better, but not the worst. They've held up on some gravel, some road, some little dirt. So they've been doing good. I've been practicing wheelies, so they've been holding up. Spoke skins, nothing to that. These MCS bolts, none to them really. They are actually pretty quality. Some of them are hollow and kind of like real light, but these are a little better on the heavier side. It's 3/8. See what else we got. So you can see I still have this original headset. The one I sold that I converted to 29 and had a new headset on it. You can get one from Pork Chop BMX for about 30 bucks. Goes right on there real smoothly. But yeah, since I got this quill stem adapter, I got these headset spacers on there. And I'll be honest, 1000% honest, the quill stem adapter, it looks real good. Especially with this Fitco. I just really like that stem, but with this quill stem adapter, as you can see, there's really nothing to hold this down. So as you're practicing wheelies, this stem, it slides up. So after a while you gotta loosen it up to pull it back down. So you see these are loose. When I first put it on there, you see a little gap in there. When I first put them on there, it's real tight, but now you see it's just loosey goosey. But yeah, that's from the quill stem adapter. But I'm probably gonna put a new headset on there. I don't know if I'm gonna keep them. I don't know. I'm gonna keep it for now. And I like the height. These aren't no SC big honking tall bars, but these give that extra height, so it's basically the same. But the only thing, these stock bars on a jet fuel aren't that wide, so I would recommend getting some SC wider bars. They're a little taller, a little wider. You'll be in the game. But this Fitco stem is really nice. These bars stay solid, doesn't move, doesn't slide. It's pretty nice. Got these cheap lights. No, I ain't the Jakes. Those work pretty solid. No complaints about those. Well, they could be brighter. I'll put the link to everything. I really like this Sunday Grim Reaper. I get that a 10 out of 10 for sure. So you can see I took the front brake off, kept it on. I always keep ghost brakes on mine. That's what I call it. Just keep the lever on there and keep it on there. Call them ghost brakes. Keep the lever on there. No brake cable for the front. The ghost brakes. My signature. Let's get to these grips. These ODI grips I really like. And I wrecked my bike. I wiped out. So you can see. Got some battle scars. And on the seat. Seat's all ripped up from me wiping out, practicing wheelies. But I really love these. I got some new grips, but I really like these ODI float grips. $5.99 from Dance Comp. Cheap. These $5.99 a pair. I got two, but I like these and they fit great with these ODI grips. So this is a great combo. 10 out of 10 would recommend. This Goldfinger Diatech brake lever is real nice, great quality, and it has some good pull on the brakes. I got them tight right now, as you can see. But for wheeling, you needed something a little longer. They actually have one. I like this part where it like curls up on your finger, like, you know, when you're braking and stuff. But it just needs to be a little longer, especially to like hold out wide on the brakes. I mean on the hand, on the bars, because these are already, like, you know, aren't the widest bars. So I'm gonna probably sell this one and get a new one, or get a new one and just sell this one and put it on my cruiser probably. That's that. Next, not too much. These bar pads, pretty nice. I like this brake line. It does seem stronger than the stock one. I had the stock one. I rolled on the other one, so it does seem to have the better stopping power. Cheap seat post clamp. This one I like really nice because if you can see, it has this screw on the front, so it stays real on there. It's real solid, so I like this. Like it a lot. Aluminum. Who are these? Are these Stolen brand, or I forget what brand these are? Mission somebody. Thermalite pedals. I like them. They're plastic, cheap, wide, grippy. They do the job when you cruising, practicing wheelies, whatever. This is a cheap sprocket, 32 teeth. It comes with the original 32 teeth, and it's thicker. It's a cheap, but it's like nice thick steel. I like it. I like this ratio. It's 32-16. People say 33 is the best, but this stock 32 ain't bad. You can get the wheel up real easy. This chain, KMC Z410 chain, no complaints. Ain't been slipping, stays pretty tight. I got this these tensioners on there. These got these cheap, you know, pegs that you just screw on and off. So you know, they don't cause too much trouble with the tensioner I got on there. Yeah, and this chain tensioner does the job. It's a cheap little chain tensioner. I thought it came with a tool pack, but it's just one. But the one is doing its job. It's keeping that chain nice and tight. It's not slipping. For, you know, practicing wheelies. Still ain't that good. So you'll see in my videos I'm practicing, but I'm getting there. Give me 30 days. I got hurt twice. It's been raining, so I haven't been able to constantly practice, but anyway. Diet Comp V brakes. No complaints. Quality aluminum, good stopping power. With the cool stop mountain brakes. I've only had these on for about a week, so I can't really. I've actually only rode them on them twice, so I can't really. No complaints. I actually rode them a little bit. It was a little wet, and they still work. They started to squeak slightly when they got a little wet, but not too bad. No complaints. They stopped good and not bad for wheelies. This Eastern camo seat, got it off eBay. Wrecked it and messed it up, but it's a pretty solid seat. It's a nice size. It's pretty comfy for a cheap $16, $15 seat, however much it was. You know, it's regular. It's not the fancy seat, but nothing too crazy. It's nice. I like it. Nice and comfy for longer rides. So I think that's pretty much it. Want to do a review on this bike. We're about to do some upgrades to it. Well, nothing really crazy. I'm just changing these tires. Going the hookworms on the back. 26 by 2.5 from these 3.0s. 2.3s, I mean. We got thick slicks, 26 by 2.1s we putting up front. So stay tuned. This jet fueler. It's looking good. No complaints. Solid bike. Nice upgraded parts. Oh, the most important, I almost forgot. Bottom bracket. Fiction Savage is a must. You do anything on this bike, you get this 26er hyper jet fuel. The bottom bracket that it comes with is terrible. You have to change it. It's an American bottom bracket. You can get it from Dance Comp for about 35 bucks. Somewhere in there between 30 to 40 bucks. But it's the first upgrade I would do on this bike. It makes it so much smoother. But other than that, solid framing with the upgraded parts. This thing rides real good and smooth. But new tires. Let go.